Network security consists of the provisions and policies adopted by a network administrator to prevent and monitor unauthorized access, misuse, modification, or denial of a computer network and network-accessible resources. Network security involves the authorization of access to data in a network, which is controlled by the network administrator. Users choose or are assigned an ID and password or other authenticating information that allows them access to information and programs within their authority. Network security covers a variety of computer networks, both public and private, that are used in everyday jobs conducting transactions and communications among businesses, government agencies and individuals. Networks can be private, such as within a company, and others which might be open to public access. Network security is involved in organizations, enterprises, and other types of institutions. It does as its title explains, it secures the network, as well as protecting and overseeing operations being done. The most common and simple way of protecting a network resource is by assigning it a unique name and a corresponding password. Network security concepts. Network security starts with authenticating, commonly with a username and a password. Since this requires just one detail authenticating the username that is the password this is sometimes termed one-factor authentication. With two-factor authentication, something the user has is also used. And with three-factor authentication, something the user is also used. Once authenticated, a firewall enforces access policies such as what services are allowed to be accessed by the network users. Though effective to prevent unauthorized access, this component may fail to check potentially harmful content such as computer worms or trojans being transmitted over the network. Antivirus software or an intrusion prevention system help detect and inhibit the action of such malware. An anomaly-based intrusion detection system may also monitor the network like a REST traffic and may be logged for audit purposes and for later high-level analysis. Communication between two hosts using a network may be encrypted to maintain privacy. Honeypots, essentially decoy network-accessible resources, may be deployed in a network as surveillance and early warning tools, as the honeypots are not normally accessed for legitimate purposes. Techniques used by the attackers that attempt to compromise these decoy resources are studied during and after an attack to keep an eye on new exploitation techniques. Such analysis may be used to further tighten security of the actual network being protected by the honeypot. A honeypot can also direct an attacker unregistered trademark's attention away from legitimate servers. A honeypot encourages attackers to spend their time and energy on the decoy server while distracting their attention from the data on the real server. Similar to a honeypot, a honeynet is a network set up with intentional vulnerabilities. Its purpose is also to invite attacks so that the attacker unregistered trademark's methods can be studied and that information can be used to increase network security. A honeynet typically contains one or more honeypots. Security management for networks is different for all kinds of situations. A home or small office may only require basic security while large businesses may require high maintenance and advanced software and hardware to prevent malicious attacks from hacking and spamming. Types of attacks. Networks are subject to attacks from malicious sources. Attacks can be from two categories: passive, when a network intruder intercepts data traveling through the network, and active, in which an intruder initiates commands to disrupt the network's normal operation. Types of attacks include passive, network, wiretapping, port scanner, idle scan. Active, denial of service attack, spoofing, man-in-the-middle, ARP poisoning, Smurf attack, buffer overflow, heap overflow, format string attack, SQL injection, cyber attack. See also, cloud computing security, crimeware, cybersecurity standards, data loss prevention, Graynet, identity-based security, information leak prevention, Metasploit project, mobile security, NetCentron, network security toolkit, TCP gender changer, TCP sequence prediction attack, timeline of hacker history, wireless LAN security, references. Further reading, case study, network clarity. SC Magazine 2014, Cisco What is Network Security? Retrieved from cisco.com, pcmag.com, Security of the Internet, Introduction to Network Security, Matt Curtin. Security Monitoring with Cisco Security Mars, Gary Helene Greg Kellogg, Cisco Press, July 6, 2007. Self-Defending Networks, The Next Generation of Network Security, Dwayne DeCapit, Cisco Press, September 8, 2006. Security Threat Mitigation and Response, Understanding CS Mars, Dale Tesh Greg Abler, Cisco Press, September 26, 2006. Securing Your Business with Cisco ASA and PIX Firewalls, Greg Abler, Cisco Press, May 27, 2005. Deploying Zone-Based Firewalls, Ivan Popelnjak, Cisco Press, October 5, 2006. Network Security, Private Communication in a Public World, Charlie Kaufman Radia Perlman Mike Spessiner, Prentice Hall, 2002. ISBN. Network Infrastructure Security, Angus Wong and Alan Young, Springer, 2009. External links, Cybersecurity Network, Definition of Network Security, Comprehensive Security from Layer 2 to Layer 8, Cisco IT Case Studies about Security and VPN, Definition of Network Security, OpenLearn, Network Security.